Yeah, good morning, sir.
How are you all feeling today?
Excited.
Very excited. That's great. We are equally excited, and I just wanted to once again personally talk to all of you. I had spoken to Pinchna the other day, so I thought that it would not be correct for me to not speak to the rest of you. So I just wanted to take this opportunity to once again congratulate all of you for this great achievement that you have achieved, and for bringing laurels to your family, to your association, and of course to the state as a whole. And as your Chief Minister, I just want to tell you that we are very, very proud of you. We'll be waiting to receive you here in Shillong, and a lot of exciting discussions are there. I have shared some of them with Pinchnai. The rest I will share with you when you all come here, and we will be sitting together and talking about many, many exciting things. So I really wanted to thank you and to congratulate you. To Jylla and Ian, thank you so much. Really, the hard work that both of you and your entire team has put in has really made the state proud. So I'm sure that you must be having and feeling a sense of satisfaction after all the medals have been won by your association alone. So it's a great feeling, and I really want to congratulate you. So I would like to hear also from Ian or Jylla if you want to say something, or any of you who's there. Pinchnai is there, Indra is there, Vikas, Elizabeth. Any of you would like to say something?
Oh, me?
Thank you so much, sir, for your support, because without that, you couldn't have reached so far. Especially the vehicle and the gym was a great help for our boys to do better. We are so thankful, and we would really like the slalom course to be built, sir, so that they get much better training experience. And even most of the other state paddlers coaches are there talking about coming to Meghalaya to train. Great help to have the slalom. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Jylla, thank you so much. And of course, we have given whatever support that was possible. But and with a little support, you have done wonders. And I'm sure that the future is very, very much more brighter, and we can really take this forward. And I just want to give assurance to all your the young stars who are there and your entire team that full support from the government side will be there. I will give full support to all the activities that are there. And obviously, at the personal level also, what I have promised to Pinchnai, I'll further the discussion with the rest of them when all of you come here. Okay? So thank you so much, and wish you again all the very best. And I'll see you in Shillong very soon. Okay? Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah. Bye.